Welcome to Statistical Observatory. Here, we dive deep into the data that shapes our world. In today's video, we'll explore the profound impact of global conflicts over the last 20 years, from economic devastation to the heartbreaking human toll. If you are passionate about understanding the numbers behind the news, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content like this. In the last 20 years, conflicts have profoundly affected global stability. Significant wars like the Iraq War, the Syrian Civil War, and the Russo-Ukrainian War have not only disrupted the regions directly involved but have also sent shockwaves through the international community. The financial toll of these conflicts is staggering. The Iraq War alone has cost approximately $2.4 trillion, while the Syrian Civil War has caused over $530 billion in economic damage. These figures highlight the immense burden placed on global economies by prolonged warfare. The human toll is equally harrowing. Conflicts like the Syrian Civil War have claimed over 500,000 lives, while the ongoing war in Ukraine has led to a similar loss of life. These statistics reflect the profound human suffering and tragedy that accompany such wars. Unfortunately, many of these wars continue today, with no end in sight. The conflict in Yemen and the Russo-Ukrainian War are prime examples, continuing to cause destruction, displacing populations, and exacerbating humanitarian crises. These wars extend beyond the borders of the countries directly involved, affecting global stability, economies, and humanitarian conditions. The ripple effects of these conflicts are felt worldwide, reminding us of the far-reaching consequences of war. As we reflect on the staggering costs of these conflicts, it's clear that the impact of war is felt by all economically, socially, and humanely. Understanding these numbers helps us grasp the true cost of conflict and underscores the importance of striving for peace and stability in our world. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with more data-driven insights here on Statistical Observatory. See you in the next video.